Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto by YouTube channel. Inside this video, let's talk about the latest update of the Pi network. We will check a new update about the CiDi Games, new games available in here. Even the Pioneer can use Pi inside the CiDi Games. This is a big achievement for the Pioneers, a big achievement for the Pi network. Further, we will check some more updates about the Pi network. Make sure to watch this video, share this video, and now let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about Pi Network, Presale Project, meme coins, cryptocurrency, crypto updates, then make sure to click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload a new video. So the CiDi Games platform continues to make progress and has released 4 new games for pioneers. These 4 games available for the pioneers to get experience. So CiDi Games, a Pi Network Ventures portfolio company, gives pioneers new ways to use Pi through gaming. You can use the Pi through the gaming. It can be live. Inside the game, you can use Pi to purchase items, to purchase anything that's available, any product that's available inside the game. So you can use your Pi to get it. This is somehow a good opportunity. This is somehow a good point, a good idea for the Pi network. So while also expanding the Pi ecosystem with infrastructure that can support more games and developers over time. So this is what CiDi Games just tweeted on the 1st June. 4 new games are now live on CiDi Games. They sort the name you can see Coin, Hack, Fruit Stack, Gymnova. They sort the games and here you can see Rainbow. So you can play the game, you can just check it. This is amazing. More games are available in here. Somehow, CiDi Games just one of the big partnership of the Pi network. And CiDi Games, this is a gaming project, one of the big gaming platform in the market. Is it about the juice trick? So in this video, I'm going to show you, I'm going to deposit $13,000. So how I can do it, let me show you here. So if you don't have account, the link is below in the description. Simply create account and then go to add cash in here because I'm going to purchase the CRB advance. Let me show you here. This is the CRB and then the advance input CRB. So I'm going to purchase this one. So I'm going to invest the 10,000, 3% profit, and this is for 1 week. Okay. First of all, I need to add the 10,000 in here. Simply click on add cash and then in here select USDT TRC20. So enter the amount which will be 13,000. Okay, now this is the link. Copy the link, go to the exchange, whatever you want to transfer in here. Okay, copy the link and then in here you can just upload the picture and then click on proceed to payment. So 13,000 deposit pending. So once I get the payment, I will show you and then we will purchase the CRB advance input. So finally here you can see the transaction completed. Okay, you can see 13,000. Now let's go to CRB. So from here click advance input, view plan. Okay, now so from here everything is okay. Yeah, I will type in here 13,000. Okay, and then everything is on the funding. You can see my balance. Now click on proceed. You can check everything, all the details in here. So finally it's done. Here you can see status ongoing. This is the timeline. This is my deposit balance, and this is the timing. You can see everything, the profit. So return over investment 3%. So this is how you can deposit. This is how you can purchase the package. Although you can check this article. Inside this article, you will get more information about the juice tree, how it's working, everything you can get in here about the features, about the future plan, everything available inside the article. This is a good news. In the month of June, Pi mining speed increases by 0.2 times 0.22191 per hour. Before each month, starting of the month, the mining rate decreased. But this time you can see increasement in the mining rate, which is good. So the reason when miners drop out, the system automatically distributes the reward to those who remain. It means that according to this, it means that miners are leaving Pi network. Miners just stopped mining Pi project. There are less miners now, those who mining this project. That's why the mining rate increased. Because if There are not huge miners. So their coin, or I can say the Pi coin, will be distributed to the remaining miners. So this can be the reason. This can be the reason, Here you can see. So the last update is Pi Network Community Launchpad Review. Here, let me show you. Check this one and let me know. The Launchpad available inside my browser, inside the home screen, inside the application. And here you can see the next picture. This is the token, test token, completed. You can see the total test by stacked, this much, total test by committed, this much, stackers, this much, committers, this much. So this is what the launchpad is coming. Inside the launchpad, you can find lots of coin. Developers will launch their coin inside the Pi Network launchpad. It will be like Ethereum, it will be like Binance Smart Chain, it will be like Solana. On that time, the price will be like Ethereum, Solana, BNB, no one knows. So this is all about the Pi network. I hope you understand this video. I hope you like this video. Smash the like button to know what time high. Still did not subscribe to our channel. Make sure to click on the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload a new video. So this video is end up in here. Till the next video. Goodbye. See you.